Guys, today we're going to go over 2.5 random numbers. Okay, so this is a lesson practice quiz, which it's kind of a... Okay, so question number 1. Which of the following is not true about random functions? And it is that they are not contained in a math module, they are contained in a random modules. And what are the possible... Question number 2, what are the possible output of the following? Print, random, rand, int, 0, 7. So random comes from the module random, then random integer between 0 and 7. So it would be anything from 0 to 7. So it's question number 3. What are the possible output of the following? Which is print, random, random, parentheses with nothing in it times 5. And so random comes from the module random, and then random means whatever in the parentheses is random. So if there's nothing in the parentheses, it means it can be anything from 0 to 1, but it can't actually be 1. So it would have to be greater than 0 and less than 1. So if you multiply that by 5, it can only be 0 but less than 5, so this is the answer. Okay, so 2.5 code practice. Copy and paste the following code into code sculpture. Then modify the code so the user is asked to multiply two random numbers from 1 to 10 inclusive. So as you can see, we already copied it here. So all you need to do is ask to multiply two random numbers from 1 to 10. So as you can see, in the variables a and b, you have to import random, which it was already in the code. So all we had to do is change a and b. So random integer is displayed from 1 to 10. So you obviously have to put random and dot for the module random. You put random int, which is random integer. Then you put the numbers from which you want to select the random numbers from. So it would be a random number between 1 and 10 for A and B, and then you'd have to and that's basically it. Okay guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video.